executive director Edema Cocoa Health and Afe Extension Division. When they were the ababetu just say ewa praba or boy titiru okopie mu ewa atoye mantemu niema bia wode nani ekohu ye no kwasem say na enso ani esan say sa cocoa board no sika pa wo mode ahye cocoa adwumani mu ehwesen kadachi bi wo mu bedi so adodode no sika no de esum Ghana sika no bese 4.8 billion nanso ene galamsey adwumadie ni nti wo metimi atwa sansa sini ni na egua eso niema ni na eka ho bi akoye atetesem na wo de yentie Reverend Edwin Aferi said the ono akasa esitu ansem ne so edema ansem trofo.
Especially when we are being concerned more about the rehabilitated farms. Recently I was around the Boyso area, and for almost about 36.5 hectares that we did, they cut all of them. They are doing galamsey. 36.5 hectares cost us 4.8 billion Ghana cedis to be able to do it. Now you haven't even accounted for the harvesting that will be coming. Just the investment, the compensation that we give to the landowners and the farmers, the planting of plantain suckers, the cocoa trees that will go in there, the extension that has gone in there, all the work that we had done over there went to waste. So you can imagine what is happening. When you look at the landscape of Ghana, all the forest areas where cocoa is grown, cocoa because it's also, a growing the forest environment. Now, when you look at the landscape around those areas, you will see patches of, sand everywhere where cocoa is grown. Now, we are giving our cocoa trees centralized waypoints to the Minerals Commission. If they can support us and not give concessions to areas where we have cocoa trees, we'll be very happy. Okay, so things have changed dramatically over the past 10 years. And we wish that we will not keep on deteriorating. Otherwise, one day we all, run into trouble. We will not be able to export.
Enti ne ho asemanen sika pa ahye esan galamsey adwumadie ni nti ne wei eye executive director Edema Cocoa Health and Afe Extension Division Reverend Edwin Aferi nene ene ekotie ye